profession,
Good morning, Bharat sir.
I must admit that it has not been a cakewalk. In my journey of 38 years in life insurance, four factors have played an important role in how I began achieving multiple MDRT annually. They are the four E's: expand, empower, engage, and evaluate. First, expand. When I qualified for the MDRT, for the first time, I had a customer base of around 300 families, which I expanded to 600 families to qualify for court of the table, then to 1000 families to qualify for top of the table. Friends, I strongly believe that I have to expand my client base to achieve multiple MDRT annually. One practice that I followed religiously to increase my client base was helping to settle the death claim of unknown people from the obituary column of the local dailies. In India, we don't have to need an invitation to go and attend the obituary. I later got in touch with the family member of the deceased person and volunteered my services to help the death claim settled. This unique practice secured the headlines of my interview with BBC News titled "How the Dead Helped a Salesman to Become a Star Agent." We must prospect up. If we continue to do what we have always done, we'll continue to earn what we have always earned. Expanding our client base is the gateway to unlimited potential. Second, empower. Learning is a powerful tool for empowerment. My learning began with my parents and my elder brother, Mr. Ashok Parekh, who introduced me to my manager agency and mentor, Mr. L.T. Mulchandan, who molded me like the clay. My learning carried on with annual meets of MDRT like this and TOT, my company, Strategic Coach Program, Indian Institute of Management, prospects and clients. They are the best. My family, wife Babita, who is here, and my daughter Priyanka, who are the TOTs, and my younger daughter Lipika, have always been my inspiration. I believe that spending money on my team is an investment. My in-house training program for my staff by the living legend, Mr. R. Gopinath, have been a regular feature over the years. Thank you. My client empowerment takes place through talks by the renowned speaker and quarterly magazine, in-house magazine, Companion for Life, our monthly dashboard, Financial Times. To give back to the society, I have recorded my learning experience in my book, Adding More to Life. Empowerment comes through learning. The more we know, the more we grow. Thirdly, engage. I maintain that relationship is money. We continuously innovate ways to engage our clients. Some activities include Gratitude Day, which we celebrate annually, workshops for the well-being of the client, programs for children, getting the pen set during the examination, birthday celebration, summer camp, drawing and essay competition. Engagement is the key. Let's connect, communicate and consistently deliver value. Fourthly, evaluate. I evaluate myself by competing with myself and completing my target in a shorter period of time. My first MDRT was completed in 12 months, as we always, but the second MDRT in the 9 months, and so on. Friends, in the last calendar year, I have completed 43 MDRT.
Yay!
That is 10 MDRT in a quarter. My team is evaluated through annual performance review and reward system, which plays an important role in increasing their efficiency at work. Evaluation of the client through portfolio review is done on a regular basis. 60% of my business comes from review system. That's the best way to to increase our number of MDRTs. During this review system, I also make use of this opportunity to specifically ask for referrals. Evaluate to elevate. Evaluation turns efforts into achievement. Dear MDRT, as we go back home, motivated with excellent thoughts and ideas, you must have picked up some ideas already. Do practice the 4 E's. Expand, empower, engage, and evaluate. I wish you all the very best in achieving multiple MDRT every year. Thank you, MDRT, for the opportunity. It was both pleasure and a privilege. Stay blessed. Thank you.